Welcome you to my channel Practice to Perfect. Hope you are safe and are enjoying watching my videos. My today's video is for the English grammar topics one and many, use of is and are, and use of this, that, these and those. Let me first explain you each of them. Nouns that are only one in number are called singular nouns. Example: boy, dog, pen. Nouns that are more than one in number are called plural. We just add s to the singular noun to make it plural. Like boy becomes boys, one dog becomes many dogs, pen becomes pens. Now I will explain you the use of is and are in these statements. Is used for one person, animal or thing, and are is used for more than one person, animal or thing. Example: the bird is singing and the birds are singing. Now I will explain you the use of this, that and these and those. This is used for things which are near to us and are singular, whereas that is used for things that are far from us and are singular. For example, this is a pen. I am considering that the pen is near, and that is a kite, considering that the kite is far. These are used for plural naming words that are near, whereas those are used for plural naming words that are far from us. Example: these are my toys. Here I am considering that the toys are near, and those are my balls, considering that the balls are far. Now let us look at the practice questions for these topics. In this question, the singular form of the noun is given. You have to write the plural form of this noun. For example, the singular is pencil. The plural form becomes pencils. In the second question, in the bracket, the singular and the plural form of the noun is given. Read the sentence and choose the correct noun form that fits here. In this question, in each sentence, use is or are accordingly to fill the blank place. If you read the sentence, say, if you take the first example, there dash many girls in the dance show. If you see the word many girls, it simply tells you that it is a plural noun. So the word used in the blank place will be are. So the sentence becomes, there are many girls in the dance show. In this question, two options are given in the bracket, of which only one will correctly fill the blank place. Read the sentence and identify the correct option that fits here. Let me explain you with the first question. Look at dash birds flying in the sky. Now, the birds flying in the sky indicates that the birds are far from us. And the second thing here is that the birds are plural. So, you will use the word those and not these, because those is used for plural and things which are far from us. So the sentence becomes, look at those birds flying in the sky. Here, in each sentence, a noun has been underlined. If the noun is singular, write S, and if it is plural, write P. Let us take the first example. I go to school by bus. The word bus has been underlined here. Bus is a singular noun, so you will write S for the first question. In this question, you have to observe the picture and fill in the blanks with this, that, these or those, and also the singular or the plural noun. Let me explain you with an example. If you observe the first picture, you will see that the object is just one doll and it is near to my finger. So, it means the first blank will be filled with this because this is used for a singular object and which is near. And the second place will be filled with the noun that is here. So the sentence becomes, this is a doll. So similarly, complete all the questions here. This is the last question. Here, if the noun is singular, write its singular name, and if it is plural, write its plural name. Like the first picture you see is of one bus. So you will write BUS, bus, for the first picture. In the second picture, you see 3 dolls. So you will have to write the plural name. So it becomes DOLLS. So you have to look at the picture and write the singular or the plural name for the pictures that are shown here. So this was my video for the English grammar topic. I hope it is useful for your kids. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you for watching.